Ayan, okay. Next na pag-uusapan natin cranial nerve disorder is your Bell's palsy, okay? Your Bell's palsy is also known as your idiopathic facial paralysis, okay? It is a unilateral inflammation of your seventh cranial nerve, okay? Yung seventh cranial nerve ninyo, okay? Ano nangyayari sa Bell's palsy? Nagkakaroon ng weakness or paralysis of the facial muscles on the affected side, okay? Sinong artista ang meron nito? Yung dating singer, si Frenchie D. Okay? Kung nakikita yun sa balita, 'di ba, yung kabilang mukha niya is bumagsak. Okay, that's your Bell's palsy. Okay? Ang cause nito is unknown. Okay? And then risk factor for the development of this cranial nerve disorder is your dormant viral infection. Ano 'yon? Example of your dormant viral infection is your herpes zoster virus. Okay? Pwede ring autoimmune syndromes or autoimmune disorder. Okay? At the age of 15 to 45. So, ito yung mga risk factors natin. Okay? Tawag dito, your seventh cranial nerves is inflamed and edematous. So, ano nangyayari? Nagkakaroon ng compression. Saan? Sa may cranial nerve ninyo. Causing what? Damage. Okay? So, now, pag na-damage yung cranial nerve 7 ninyo, it can cause what? Facial muscle paralysis. Okay? Drooping of the mouth, drooling, excessive lacrimation, painful sensation of the face, and speech difficulties. Okay? Kung gusto nyong makita yung nangyari kay Frenchie D, 'di ba? Search nyo lang sa YouTube or sa TikTok, makikita nyo yun na yung kalahati ng mukha niya bumagsak. Okay? So, ano yung medical management natin for this? Okay? The objectives of the treatment, okay? Objective lang pala kasi nag-iisa. Okay, the objective of your treatment is to maintain the muscle tone of the face. Okay, so anong gagawin natin dyan? Pharmacologic management, okay? It's your corticosteroids and your analgesics, okay? Bakit tayo gumagamit ng corticosteroids such as your prednisone, okay? To decrease inflammation, okay? Pag dinecrease mo kasi yung inflammation, it reduces what? The vascular compression, okay? Pag nag-decrease kasi yung vascular compression, it can restore the blood circulation saan? Okay? Sa mukha mo. Okay? And then, what? Okay, your corticosteroid should be started 72 hours after the onset of your symptoms. Okay? It is effective in diminishing the severity of the disease and to relieve pain. Okay? Kasi kapag dinecrease mo yung inflammation, it reduces the pain. Okay? You can also use analgesic. Okay? Kahit anong analgesic, just to reduce the pain na nararamdaman ng pasyente ninyo. Okay? Ano pa yung mga nursing management natin? Okay? Protection of the eye. Okay? From injury. So, you need to use eye shield at night. Okay? And then, you need to moisturize or use eye drops. Okay? Sa umaga. Okay? And then, ointment at night. And then, you can use goggles or your sunglasses sa araw and then avoid exposure to cold. Okay? Avoid exposure to cold lalong-lalo na yung face ninyo. Okay? So that's your Bell's palsy.